right, I'm going on a little art journey and I'm trying out a new little mini sketch set, which I will show you in a second. I just love this old barn. All right, so here's the little bag that I decided to put my art kit in. I have this really cute clear plastic stadium bag, you know, the vinyl kind, and I couldn't find it this morning, so I've decided to use this one. I have my water brush in this little pocket. Oh my gosh. All right. And then another squirt bottle to activate my paints. This is a athletic band, like a tennis band. It was really big. I saw a video. Somebody suggested you get one. You know, I expected it to be like half this size, but it's huge. So anyway, for wiping off my paintbrush. Next, I have my little Traveler's Company journal, which I'll show you in a second. And then I have my very cool Traveler's Company watercolor. This, I went to an herbal medicine workshop, and I bought a kit with the herbal medicines in there, and it was so cute. And look, they go together. I'm so excited. It coordinates. Anyway, and here's this wonderful colored pencil, multi-8. It's amazing. I got it off Jet Pens. Okay, hold on while I open these up. So within this pouch, I had 3 travel brushes that I got from the Blick art store, Da Vinci. They're very, very nice. Then I had this Traveler's Company Travel and Sketch with Traveler's Notebook. This cute little watercolor palette. It's adorable. Anyway, so we have that. All right, then hold on one second. And then finally, this is the best thing ever. So this is also from the Traveler's Company. I got this little pen loop. I've got this card. The leather case comes with it. Let's see, there's some cards. Then you can put different journals and inserts in here. And so far, I think I've only started in this front part. And so this is my mini travel journal. Sorry, I'm doing this with 2 hands. So this paper is really, really nice. And I have a dog page. Doing a tutorial on YouTube. I went to New York City and I need to finish looking at pictures, and this one probably needs more color. Anyway, and so working small is very nice. I also made this teeny tiny little watercolor book from Watercolor Postcards. I was thinking about putting a video online for how to do this. I haven't actually used it yet. I'm excited to try it. Anyway, so I'll be making some art in just a second. I stopped off and got lunch, and then I had a nice ride down to the river, which was very lovely. It was a little bumpy though, sorry about that. So I got myself a double cheeseburger and some ice cream, because if you're gonna have an art adventure, you might as well enjoy yourself. I think it's supposed to rain in 20 minutes, so I might have to hurry. Welcome to the Mississippi River. This is the levee wall in Cape Girardeau, Missouri, which is painted. It's very nice. Ooh, the river's actually kind of high. The levee wall's painted on this side too. Down there. I hope you can hear me with all this wind. There's Illinois. Hey, Illinois. There's barge going down that way. That is the bridge going from Missouri to Illinois. And then Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Here we go. I'm gonna do some art. There's a train coming. I don't know if you can hear it. I was trying to get up so I could get good footage, but I'm not getting that loud. Too far away. Oh, there it is. Go on, step. I hope the train didn't scare you too much. This art adventure doesn't have this much art in it. I apologize for that. But I laid down some basic colors and then added some pen in order to capture the moment. The temperature dropped and the skies got a little bit dark, so I decided to go home. Yeah, I think I made the right choice. I did not make it home in time to beat the rain, but at least now I don't have to water the garden. Yay!